make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you are well and having a really lovely day today as always. Today I'm coming at you with a Q&A video. She's back. I asked you guys over on my Instagram for some Q&A questions, and I always ask for Q&A questions on my Instagram. You guys are a lot more active over there, so I always ask for questions over there, and if you don't follow me, obviously please do. It would make my day, and we are nearing 2,000 followers over there, so if you don't follow me, please do, because it would be really great. So yeah, thanks. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, then please do. 53.9% of you are not subscribed to this channel, and I don't know why. Is it because you don't like me? Is it because I talk too much? Let me know down below. But whilst you're doing that, please press the subscribe button, and also feel free to press the notification bell so you never miss a video. Once you've done that, we can begin. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into the video, go through the questions, so make sure you've got yourselves a coffee or a tea or a beverage of choice. Let me know down below what you're drinking, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first question is, what is your favourite ride at Disneyland Paris? And I have a few, I'm not going to lie. So my favourite rides are Phantom Manor, Big Thunder Mountain and Crush's Coaster. And Space Mountain. I did like Rock and Roller Coaster, but that is now closed, so I think it's going to be those four. But yeah, I love all of them, but they have to be my favourite, 100%. The next question is, would you ever live outside the UK? And personally, probably not, to be honest. A part of me really would love to live in California. Honestly, I think it would be unreal, but I'm such a family baby. Like, I love my family so much and my friends. I don't think I could move that far away personally. I've had the thought about where I'm gonna get a house, if I ever buy a house, like where am I gonna live? And I don't think I'd want to live much like further away than my house now in the town I live in. Does that make any sense? Probably not. I've basically decided I don't really want to live too far away from my hometown because I'm a really big family person, and I love where I live. I love my family, obviously, so yeah, I probably wouldn't. However, I do want to visit a lot more countries outside of the UK, so I want to visit California and Australia and Germany and Italy and all these places, but I just think I am a UK baby. I don't think I'd move anywhere else, so probably not. The next question is favourite Lush products. And I did a video on my current favourites fairly recently, so go over and watch that. They're always in the Lush playlist, so feel free to go and have a look. It'll be linked in the description. But at the moment, my favourite product is probably my Sleepy Body Lotion. I am using that again and I love it. Or my new shampoo bar, because I always use that. Oh, and I didn't even mention I have new hair. Elephant in the room. Didn't even tell you guys. I've gone a little bit more natural. It looks a bit darker on camera, I think. I don't really know. Maybe it does look like this in person. No, it definitely looks lighter in person. But I had my hair done literally this morning. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. It is a bit more natural, a little bit more my natural colour, which is really weird because I've been bright blonde for like 4 years. So yeah. Let me know what you think. Obviously, I popped a picture on Instagram, so again, if you don't follow me, you definitely should, because you guys get a sneak peek of all the things I'm doing before you guys see it on here. So yeah, basically, this is my new hair, and I can't even remember what the question was. What was the question? Favourite Lush product? Yes, new shampoo bar. Absolutely love it. But I am trying to do a kind of hair growth experiment. Let me know if you guys would like a video on it. I might film the whole thing, because I haven't restarted yet. But my hair is currently here. If you guys remember, about 2 years ago it got chopped to here, which was not a good time, and it just keeps getting like fried and gross, which is why I've gone darker to kind of salvage it. But yeah, let me know if you want any tips and things. I've done so much research, it's ridiculous. So yeah, let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, new shampoo bar, Sleepy Body Lotion, they're my Lush favourites. So the next question is, what is your favourite piece of Disney merch? And I don't necessarily have an absolute favourite. I love Disney ears, pins and spirit jerseys. I like plushes. I do tend to get one when I go away, but it's more because I like to sleep with something at night time. Believe it or not, I'm 26 years old, but I really like carrying it on the plane and stuff, so I tend to buy a plush or something. But I do love Disney ears, as you can probably tell from my collection, which is on my channel if you've not seen it. I have over 50 pairs, which is disgusting. Like, I don't need that many pairs of ears, but I always buy more, so I think it has to be ears for me personally. I just love them. So the next question is, what is your most favourite item you own and why? And that's a really hard question because I am such a sentimental person. I have so many sentimental pieces of jewellery and things that I can't really pick. I have a ring and a necklace from my nan who passed away a few years ago. I've got a necklace which my granddad gave me before he passed away, like years ago. I'm speaking like 14 years ago. Wait, no, it wasn't. It was 24 years ago. Such a long time ago. I'm looking around my room. I have so many things. Honestly, I couldn't pick. So yeah, I'm definitely a very sentimental person. So that question's quite hard. Which, yeah, sorry, I didn't answer it. The next question is, when are you visiting Australia? And honestly, I want to come to Australia so badly. Like, I really, really, really want to go. Obviously, with everything going on at the moment, there's not really much point in planning a big trip away, but I do really want to go. So I think in the near future I have to go. I've got so many family members over there that I've never even met, so I need to go to Australia. So it's got to happen at some point. It needs to happen. The next question is, what is the most important lesson you've learned from past relationships? And that's quite a hard question because I don't regret any of my past relationships, so it's not something like that. But I would say that if deep down you feel a relationship has kind of ended before it's ended, then you need to talk about it because you can't just keep holding on to things like that. So yeah, that's what I would say. You need to go with your gut in relationships. Always go with your gut and you'll be fine. Just got a bit deep then. We're gonna pick a lighter question for the next one. The next question is, what tips do you have for small YouTubers that are just starting out? And this is a hard question because I'm still a small YouTuber. Like, I'm really tiny and minuscule in the grand scheme of things. I'm obviously so thankful for every single one of you, but yeah, I'm still really small. However, if you are just starting out and you're super new, I would personally say my few tips are film videos that you enjoy, because there are so many YouTubers out there that just film videos that are on trend. Do you know what I mean? Like, as much as I'd love to do I only eat sweets for 24 hours challenge, for me it would just be boring and I don't see the point. So film videos you enjoy. Lighting is key. It's not even about the camera quality, like it's all about the lighting. Like, that's what I would say is 100% important, and you can use a natural light, like use your window and things like that. So yeah, that's really important. And also thumbnails are super important. Before you even think about publishing a video, you need to have a good thumbnail. My thumbnails are a bit pants, so if you guys have any tips for thumbnails, let me know. But yeah, that's what grabs attention. So yeah, definitely lighting, thumbnails, and enjoy it. Do what you want to do because everyone's different and we don't need 20 Isabellas on YouTube, you know? The next question is, what places would you like to travel to once lockdown is over? Lots of love from New Zealand. Lots of love to you too. There are so many places that I would love to visit. It's super difficult. I'd love to do a road trip around America, staying in different hotels and things. As much as I'd love to say I'm a backpack in a hostel kind of gal, I'm really, really not. So anywhere in America I'd love to visit. I'd love to go to things like the Caribbean and stuff like that. I think that would be unreal, like Bali as well, Bora Bora, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Italy. Like, there's so many places I want to go to, and it's just, I feel like I'm running out of time. So yeah, I have so many places I want to visit, and so little money and time to do so. So yeah, let me know down below anywhere you want to visit. I'd love to know. The next question is, why do you steal your boyfriend's jokes? And I don't steal your jokes. I'm just funnier than you. No, I'm joking. I think every girlfriend steals their boyfriend's jokes, let's be honest. So it's not just me, okay? The next question is, how are you doing today? And I'm doing very well. I've had my hair done. It's looking a bit flat at the moment though. I've kind of like, it's gone a bit funny. I've got a coffee on the go. I'm filming some videos. I'm having a great day. So let me know how you guys are doing as well down below. The next question is, what is your favourite body spray from Lush? And mine has to be Twilight, always, every day. Twilight's my favourite. Love the smell. And it's just a 10 out of 10, so love that. The next question is, would you ever work for Lush again? And that is an interesting question, because as much as I love Lush, you guys know I love Lush, I probably wouldn't work for the company again, only because I've done it and I know it wouldn't be the same again, so I probably wouldn't feel the need to do it again. Do you know what I mean? Like, the first time I did it, I had the best team of colleagues ever, and I know that it just wouldn't be the same. Like, if I could go back to Lush for a day and work with all my friends, so Flo, Ben, Emma, Becky, Poppy, Lauren, like everyone, then I would do it. But I probably wouldn't without my team, because it wouldn't be the same. So yeah, I just don't think I could do it. It wouldn't be the same. And I feel like Lush is very different now than it used to be. A lot of things are more expensive. A lot of companies are money driven anyway, but it's a bit more so in that direction, I feel, but I still love it. But yeah, I probably wouldn't work for them again, no. The next question is, how long have you been a YouTuber for? I've been on YouTube for quite a long time. I would say that originally I wasn't consistent and my content was shite. So I don't know whether that counts. I would probably say I've been consistent for like 3 or 4 years maybe. Has it been that long? I hit 1,000 subscribers in 2016, I think. September of 2016, I think. And then in 2017, I think it was, my channel blew up loads. Like, I gained 4,000 subscribers in a year, which was a lot for me. And ever since then, it's just kind of slowed down. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please do, because hitting 10k would be great. And I feel like it's never coming, so yeah. But yeah, I've been a YouTuber, I would say, for like 3 or 4 years maybe, like consistently. But yeah. And the last question I'm going to answer for this video is, what are the best cameras for vlogging and the best editing software? So I use iMovie. I used to use Final Cut Pro, and then for some reason it just stopped working. So I use iMovie now, and it's good enough. It does the job. Like, as much as I'd love my videos to be edited in a really kind of cinematic and cool way, I don't have the software for that, so I just use iMovie. It was free, so yeah, so I just use it and it does the job. And camera wise for vlogging, personally I like Canons. I've always used Canons. I do need a new camera at some point. I've had this camera for literally like 4 years, so I am thinking of getting a new camera at some point, but I use Canons for vlogging. The Canon G7X original I love, and I also have another Canon, and I cannot remember for the life of me what it's called. EOS, oh, what is it? I can't remember. If I can remember the name, I'll put it in the description, or give me a message on Instagram if you want to know, and I can like send you some photos. But that is the camera I use for my Disney vlogs, and I love it, so I use those. And they both have fold out like screens, so you can see what you're filming, and the kind of sound quality on them is really good, so I would definitely look at Canons personally. But saying that, you don't need an expensive camera. It's all about lighting. You could vlog on your phone if you've got a decent camera on your phone. So yeah, have a look at both options and see what you want to do. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed me chatting at you for like 20 minutes or however long this video is. Probably not 20 minutes, hopefully, because I have been rambling on for a long ass time. But yes, I hope you guys did enjoy. Like I said, please subscribe if you're not already. It would make me incredibly happy, and again, I would love to hit 10k at some point in my YouTube journey, and I feel like we're at a bit of a rut in terms of this channel growing, so please subscribe if you're not already. Also, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and if you want more Q&As, give it a thumbs up, let me know. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, stay safe, and I love you guys a lot.